Rhythm Riders, what's up? It's your boy Musical Trucker, and I am back with another video. Look, if you hadn't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post some new content. Look, we're gonna dive right in. I wanted to just let y'all in on what I've had going on since the last time we talked. Man, my life has been amazing. I had some great things going on since the last time we talked. That's why y'all haven't seen me in a while. But for one, I have celebrated a birthday. I was gonna tell y'all my age, but I'm gonna keep it to myself. Just know I'm an 80s baby. But yeah, I celebrated a birthday on December the 4th. And on the 9th of this month, I officially got married. Yeah, I married the love of my life on December the 9th. And I couldn't be more excited. I couldn't be more happy. Man, yeah, that's what I've been having going on since the last time we talked. Man, I've been wanting to take y'all with me on some of these loads, but man, it's winter time, and when it's snow on the ground, I'm locked in. I'm extra focused. I mean, because I don't always just pull over when it's snowing. I can drive in the snow. I just take it real slow. But I don't do the ice. I pull over when it comes to that ice. I was stuck in that snowstorm last week up in Michigan, and man, it got pretty rough on your boy. But right now, I am under a load that I picked up in Mississippi, and I'm taking it to Walmart in Clarksville, Arkansas. I'm about halfway through that load. Today is currently December the 13th. Wow, it's Friday the 13th. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna need some company on this ride. So yeah, I think I'm gonna let y'all ride with me the rest of the way. I'm on the east side. Yeah, I'm on the east side of Little Rock right now. So I don't have that far to go, but y'all come on, ride with your boy the rest of the way. Put your seatbelts on. Let's go.
come again.
morning. How y'all doing?
Good.
I'd like for you to drop that over on H1. Okay. So you're here, fold up around the curve and go straight. Building on the left, H1's on your right. Drop it anywhere in there. Let me see. Where am I? So I got a couple over here in the gravel.
Okay.
One in 8 and one in F1.
Okay.
So there should be like 4 different ones to choose from. Find one you like and he'll check you out.
All right, cool. Thank you.
No problem.
Switch it up.
I don't always take the easy route, but it's the weekend. It's Friday 13th, and I had a good little spot to drop this trailer in where I could just pull up and bag right into the spot. So yeah, y'all don't get to see all that old fancy driving and stuff today. Sometimes I pick the hard ones just to get a little practice in. But like I say, it's the weekend. I don't feel like it. Take the easy way out today.
Rewind, come again.
All right, Rhythm Riders, look, appreciate y'all for riding with your boy. I know it's been a little short ride today, but it's always fun riding with my Rhythm Riders. So look, y'all keep it safe. And like always, look, if you're interested in rolling with Taylor, Recruiter Shannon, her information will be in the description, or I might just pop it up down below like I normally do, along with my driver code. But until next time, y'all keep it safe. Hold it between the mustard and the mayo. Peace out.